Ever wondered how regular people are making serious money selling simple products like yoga mats or skincare creams online? In 2025, e-commerce isn't just booming, it's exploding. And if you've been sitting on the sidelines, now is the best time to jump in. In this video, I'm giving you the full step-by-step blueprint to start selling on Amazon or Flipkart. No fluff, no confusing jargon, just real strategies that work. Whether you're a college student, a side hustler, or a full-time dreamer, this guide is your shortcut from zero to your first 50K in online sales. You're going to learn everything from how to register, find winning products, source suppliers, handle logistics, run ads, and even scale smartly. Stick around to the end, because I'm also sharing secret tools and a 90-day plan that top sellers use to stay ahead. Pre-launch. Selling online in India has never been easier, but it starts with picking the right model. If you don't want to pack and ship orders, Amazon's FBA or Flipkart's FBF options are great. They store and ship your products for a fee. If you're more hands-on, FBM or FBS lets you control your inventory and save some money. You could even go the private label route, building your own brand from scratch, like launching your line of kitchen tools or skincare. Next comes registering your seller account. Amazon's professional seller account comes at a small monthly fee, while Flipkart lets you register for free but charges a commission on each sale. Make sure your documents are ready. GSTN, PAN card, bank account, and ID proof are non-negotiables. And here's where most beginners mess up. They try to sell what they like instead of what sells. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Flipkart Big Data to find products with solid demand, low competition, and at least a 30% profit margin after fees. Sourcing and compliance. Now it's time to bring your product to life. You can find suppliers on IndiaMart or Trade India for domestic options, or go global with Alibaba. Always request samples before placing a big order and ask for certifications like BIS or ISO to ensure your product meets safety standards. You'll also need to get your legal paperwork in order. GST registration is mandatory for both platforms. Depending on your product category, you may also need special approvals like BIS for electronics or CDSCO for cosmetics. If you're planning to build a brand, don't skip trademark registration. It's cheap protection and builds long-term trust. Listing optimization. Imagine your product listing is your online salesperson. It has to be sharp, convincing, and optimized. Start with solid keyword research using tools like Helium 10 or Flipper AI. Use long-tail, high-intent phrases like non-slip yoga mat for women instead of just yoga mat. These rank faster and convert better. Craft titles using this formula. Brand product, key features benefit. For example, Zen Pro Yoga Mat. Use high-quality images, at least 1500 by 1500 pixels, with a clean white background for Amazon. Flipkart loves variety, so include at least 6 photos showing different angles and how the product is used. Bonus points for infographics that highlight your product's best features like 100% BPA free or 10-year warranty. Pricing and fulfillment. Before you slap a price on your product, make sure you've done the math. Both platforms take a cut. Amazon charges a referral fee of 8 to 45% depending on category, while Flipkart ranges from 5 to 20%. Add in fulfillment costs, 50 to 200 per unit, GST, and shipping. Then, factor in a 30% profit margin. Use tools like Seller App's Profit Calculator to reverse engineer your retail price. Once you're live, decide whether you want to fulfill orders yourself or use Amazon FBA or Flipkart Smart Fulfillment. These services cost more, but they simplify logistics and boost your chances of winning the buy box, which is code for more sales. Launch and rank. Your launch week is everything. The faster you gain traction, the faster your listing moves up the ranks. To get those first reviews, try Amazon Vine. It's free if you're brand registered, or offer samples in your WhatsApp groups and local communities. Without social proof, even the best product struggles. Don't ignore paid ads. On Amazon, start with automatic PPC campaigns and then move to manual ones with high-performing keywords. On Flipkart, Bid on your competitors' ASINs, so when people search for big names like Mama Earth, they also see your listing. Want to move inventory fast? Try offering steep discounts, up to 60%, for the first 50 buyers. Bundle products for extra value, like a pillow plus cushion cover combo for 10% off. These tricks build momentum and trigger platform algorithms to push your listing. Scaling operations. Once you've validated your product, it's time to scale. Don't get caught off guard with stockouts. Use inventory management tools like Sellerboard or Unicommerce. Monitor your best sellers and set up restock alerts. Keep your response rate above 95%. A poor customer service record can get your account suspended. Gradually expand your product line. Don't add 20 new products overnight. Start with variations or complementary items. If you sell yoga mats, think yoga blocks or towels. Use Amazon's frequently bought together feature and Flipkart's similar products section to cross-sell and increase your average order value. Critical pitfalls and fixes. Every new seller runs into trouble. Don't panic. Most problems have solutions. If your account gets suspended, review platform policies and appeal with evidence. Don't fake reviews or manipulate sales. That's a fast track to being banned. Low conversions? Improve your product listing with A+ content or detailed videos. High return rates? Make your descriptions more honest and accurate. Most customers return items because what they received wasn't what they expected. Under-promise and over-deliver. Let's talk about the future because 2025 is here. AI tools like ChatGPT can write your entire product listing in 5 minutes. Just plug in your product details and boom, title, bullet points, and description are done. Tools like Video AI let you turn your listing into quick social media videos, perfect for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Don't underestimate sustainability. Platforms like Flipkart Green promote eco-friendly sellers, and stats show customers return green products 22% less. Use recycled packaging and highlight that in your listing. It's good for the planet and for profits. Real seller journeys. Still not convinced? Let's talk real stories. A home decor seller from Delhi hit 8 lakhs rupees per month just using Amazon FBA and Pinterest for traffic. No fancy ads, just smart targeting. Another seller from Jaipur launched an Ayurvedic skincare brand on Flipkart. Using WhatsApp for direct marketing and fulfilling orders himself, he crossed 1,000 orders in just a few months. You don't need a warehouse or a team of experts. You just need one product that solves a real problem and the hustle to see it through. Tools and resources. There's a tool for everything. For keyword research, use Helium 10 or Flipper AI. For managing inventory, try Inventory Lab or Unicommerce. Need help getting reviews? Tools like Feedback Whiz automate your follow-up emails. Most of these cost between 2,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees per month, but they pay for themselves when your sales start rolling in. And the best part? Amazon and Flipkart both offer free training. Check out Amazon Seller University and Flipkart's Seller Learning Hub. These guides are built by the platforms themselves to help you succeed. So, are you ready to stop scrolling and start selling? If you've made it this far, here's your next step. Choose one product, register your seller account, and start small. Remember, your first 1,000 rupees profit proves your system works. From there, you scale. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop your product idea in the comments. Let's help each other grow in 2025. Your e-commerce empire starts today.